Hi, welcome to the Airbnb How to Become a Superhost course. And first, before we get started in some of the areas of setting up your listing, let's first find out what it takes to become a superhost. So, I'm going to show you personally my statistics of my particular property, and here you can see the ratings of the different areas that you're graded on. So, you're graded on overall experience, the accuracy of your listing, the cleanliness, communication, the check-in process, the location of your property, and the value that guests get for their money. So here you'll be able to see reviews. Most are 5 stars. Some guests have problems, but that's going to happen. You know, they're not staying at their own property, so these are things that you must deal with and try to accommodate them in any way you can. So for the most part, I've gotten mostly 5 stars, but a few 4 stars. As you can see, the total rating is 4.9, and 89% gives 5 stars. So to become a superhost, here are some of the things that will help you reach that milestone. Airbnb really puts a lot of emphasis on a commitment rate, response rate, and your overall rating, because they want to be able to rely on you to be a good host and to take care of the clients that come to look for places to stay on their platform. So they want to make sure that they give the hosts that take care of their guests the most the better opportunities to make money and get bookings. So these are things that are very important, and this is really things that you can concentrate on and will help you move and hit that superhost status very quickly. So the commitment rate is anytime somebody books a reservation, you follow through with that reservation and you don't cancel, because that's an inconvenience for not only the guests but Airbnb, and it hurts their reputation if someone books your place and they're not able to stay there for their particular visit or stay. Next is the response rate. Typically, when someone gives me an inquiry, I try to respond back in the next 5 minutes or no longer than the next hour. And Airbnb rewards you when you do this because business is not lost. So when someone has questions about your property and they send a question and you answer back quick, that makes Airbnb look good and makes you look like a great host, because you're trying to satisfy those particular guests and answer any question and accommodate them and make them feel special. So you will also, this will help your visibility of your place if you have a really good response rate and commitment rate, because Airbnb will be able to better trust you. Also, the overall rating is also important. This is when people stay at your property. This includes the response rate, the commitment rate. This is everything all balled up in one. And when you get a high rating in this area as well, that helps you become a superhost. So in order to become a superhost, they grade you every few months. And if you hit certain requirements, you become a superhost, and this allows you to get more bookings because potential guests will trust you more, and they will know you will be trusted because you have that superhost badge and honor, which is not given out lightly. So to become a superhost, you must complete 10 trips. You must have a commitment rate of 100%. So don't back out of any reservations, because Airbnb needs to be able to trust you. response rate of 90%. So anytime someone sends you a question, answer back, and try to do it in a timely manner. Next, you need to have 80% 5-star trips. So this means taking care of your guests and making sure they enjoy their stay and they're comfortable. And next is the review rate to get a 50% review rate. Simply, you can do this by asking guests if you take care of them and if they enjoy their stay, could they do you a favor and leave a review so you'll know how to improve for the next guest. Something simple as that will allow you to get more of your guests to leave you reviews. Also, in another video, we'll go over little things that will help you get more reviews and help that review stay up. So as you can see, these are my numbers, and these things are simple to do. All you have to do is make the effort, basically, and you'll become a super host in no time. So these are the requirements, and we're going to go over step by step of how to set your listing up, different things that will allow you to get more bookings, to be able to help you get more positive reviews and more trips and earn more money and become a super host through Airbnb. So I hope that you're ready. Get your pen and paper out and let's get started. You're about to become a super host.